And here we are. It is Monday, April 29th, 20 and the 24, 2:56 p.m. in the farm fields of Valparaiso, Indiana. Checking in here. Haven't done a whole lot today. I made a couple moves in Lady's account. Checked on the Vanguard, and then I did buy 500 shares of SLV, the silver ETF, at 24.81. I usually go in $5 or $1,000 minimum purchases, but I thought there's a pretty good potential that silver will be down again tomorrow, even further than today. So I thought I'd save another 500 shares to make another half move. Tomorrow we did sell 10 put contracts on the SLV 2450 expiring next Friday, which is May 10th. Collected $340 for doing so. So let's go to the board and see what's going on. We are in the 1980s. Looks like knocking on the door of 1993. That was a pretty good year. This week only have one option expiring. It would be the $36 calls. We have 50 contracts on the GDX, and currently GDX is at 34.74. So that is being threatened a bit, as you can see in the numbers here. Looking at our thoughts this week, Unity, we do have call contracts expiring next week, and next week is also earnings. And Novix, we hope to watch this thing go up to 10 plus in the next couple of days. Then I'll be looking at AGQ. If silver is indeed down again tomorrow, I'll probably buy another 1,000 shares of AGQ. GLD, keeping an eye on that as well. GDX, we just talked about. SLV, added those 500 shares, now at 4,500, looking to add another 500 tomorrow. Rivian reports earnings. Is it May 1st? May 1st, I believe, for Rivian. It's not tomorrow, is it? Tomorrow is the 30th, last day of the month. And let's see, earnings. Hey, it says 5.7. Why did I think it was tomorrow or Wednesday? Probably one of the 18 other stocks you were looking at today. So Rivian, I'm just going to hold out on them, hoping, and we discussed this last week, hoping to watch them continue to go upwards towards at least 10, 11, maybe even 12 before that earnings. So we'll play that one by ear. DocuSign looks like it's in the red today. I thought it was up. Oh, it's down 12 cents. So it's at 57.08. Same thoughts on DocuSign. Let's continue to watch it. Hopefully go higher before we sell any calls on it. And we have, so their earnings isn't until June 6th, which is an estimate of their earnings. I'll be looking at Pan American Silver. Again, I'll look at it tomorrow. If it's down, I'll buy some shares. And I'll be looking at all the rest of these miners as well. And then also, what else did I want to discuss? I wanted to discuss Norwegian Cruise Line. Is that who I think? I think that's who I'm talking about as far as earnings is tomorrow or on May 1st. So let's see. Am I correct on that one? May 1st pre-market. Okay, so that would be Wednesday pre-market. I'm actually excited. I don't want to trade into the volatility of the earnings because I think that we're going to look at a nice report. Estimates are for it to be 12 cents, 6 cents on the gap, and then also revenue of 2.24 billion, which would be up $250 million from last quarter. So I'm looking for them to have a positive move. Hopefully they'll also report possibly increased guidance or at least some positivity when it comes to the guidance. That would be very nice for us because we've watched it just kind of yo-yo around and not make us any money. We're still underwater. Bloop, 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 bloop. 1930 or 1973 is our estimated, I mean, not our estimated, it's our actual cost. So gold, we talked about this last week. We wanted to see gold fight through 2330, then bust through 2340, staying above it. I still, though, I think it has done those two things, but I think it might have a little bit more room to the south in the next day or two. As long as it holds As long as it holds, I would imagine 2,300 is the line to be concerned with. If it gets under that, I don't have too much fear with it. So if we have another couple of days of consolidation to the south, I'll be looking for more shares of various gold miners and possibly GLD, the ETF. Same with silver. It's could be on the brink of a couple more pennies down tomorrow, maybe even get a 26 handle on the silver. If so, I'll be adding physical silver and then also more silver ETF and silver miners. And then I've got my eye on oil again. My old friend, Black Gold Texas T. And so I'll be looking for oil. I think it's about at its spot where we could begin to see an upturn again. So we'll be watching USO and UCO, which is the two-time USO. I'll be looking to play both of those if the charts are in the favor of heading north. Otherwise, we'll just stay patient, which we've been for, I don't know, a couple of months on oil. It's very active in oil all the way up through probably the middle towards the end of January, and then I've been dormant on that since. So I'll be keeping an eye on that. Thanks for tuning in. Going to get Maya Coco, going to get her at Purdue Thursday, pack her up. Junior year already over. Hard to believe. So we got that going for us. Had a great weekend. I was telling you. So what did we do? So Saturday we went to a dueling piano at, who am I looking at? I'm looking at cousin Terry, right? Terry, that's right, Bart. Was it the Lions Club? Is that such a thing? It wasn't the Elks. It wasn't the Moose. I think it was the Lions. They had a dueling pianos. We have good friends that have been members there for years. They like to go and just do whatever kind of goofy things are going on there. First thing that I noticed, because we went out to pizza first at Amici's, pizza and wings at Amici's in Valparaiso, then over to the Lions Club, and I ordered the first round of drinks for the four of us, 3 beers and a vodka and soda, and it was $10. Hello, $10. So dueling pianos was okay. I'd probably give it at best a C. Sunday had a confirmation for, essentially I'd consider her a niece-in-law, but she's not actually a niece-in-law, more like a cousin-in-law. But sweet Zoe, first confirmation. That was great. Then we went to her parents' house, Jamie and Justin's. There was about 20-25 of us there. Wonderful time. Great food, great company. And then on our way home, we got pressured into coming by a winery in Valparaiso. We stopped by there. Lady and I shared a bottle of wine with our friends and had a beautiful time. So that is I know that you're not interested in the live update, but I like to talk to you because we're becoming best friends in stocks, options, and dividends, and of course, precious metals. So until next time, which will probably be tomorrow, because I anticipate some moves being made tomorrow. Like the video, comment, share with a lovable friend, subscribe to the channel, click on the notification bell so you don't miss one of these amazing videos. And I will see you in the next video.